Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I have some new products from DRK Crafts to show you. I'm on their design team and they are a UK based craft shop and they've just brought out some new products which are some 6-inch paper pads. I'm not sure if these are new but I've got these to show you, and then these washi tapes which are new as well. And I think the idea of both the paper pads and the washi tapes is they're sold in bulk at a really good value price. So I know the paper pads, you get 6 of each design, and it's around £35. So you're getting 36 paper pads for around £36. So it's a really good price and a really big variation of design as well. So I'm going to go through and show you them all. And then again, the washi tapes, these are also sold in a bulk pack. So it's really good if you're wanting to do craft swaps and you want to have lots of goodies to share with your crafty friends. So for these gems, I'm not sure if these are new or not. So I know I've had these ones from the website before, but I haven't had these pearl ones. And these ones are just going to be perfect for using as flower centers. Personally, I love making flowers and these types of gems are just perfect to pop in the middle and finish off your flower. These little tiny ones will also be really nice as little accents on cards as well. Super excited to use them. And then I also have 3 packs of different brightly coloured ones in 3 different sizes. It's so nice that they do the different sizes, because then you have a size for every project, sorry. Love the pink and purple ones. So that's those. And for the washi tapes, they've got them in 2 different glitter variations. So you've got like your metallics, gold, silver and black, and then these ones are more brightly coloured. These ones are like a mermaid colour vibe. And then they have some Valentine's Day themed ones and also some cactus. Love both of these so much. And one of the paper pads like matches these perfectly. So you can definitely use them together. And since I have 2 of each, I think I'm going to use one myself and then also gift one like to a friend. So I can share the love of washi tapes. I have a cake topper business and I also use washi tapes all of the time for fastening the cake toppers to the packaging, so they're going to come in really handy because I use washi tapes on the daily. So these are the 6-inch paper pads and the variation of the different designs is so good. There's just something for everyone, which is what I love about these. Some of these I've seen and had before, I think just 2 of them. And the other 4 I haven't had before, so I'm excited about using something different. So I'm going to go through and show you each one. So this one is called Grace and Beauty, and it's got some swans in it, and it's like a pink and green. I'm just going to like flick through them like this. So you get in 4 of each design. Love this one. This is so pretty. I love using 6-inch paper pads for making cards because I tend to do a 6-inch card, so it's just perfect for the back paper of my card. And I also love making embellishments with them as well. So that's the first one. And then the second one is a summer themed and it's called High Tide. This one is really fun. I've not seen this one before. It's got some seashells. It's got this really cute scene. I love this. I think you can make a really nice card with this one. A more plain one, which you need to have the busy ones and the plain ones so you can match them together well. A little starfish design. This one, I love this one. Crabs. And there's a seagull one. Love that. I did have a little spy before I did this video because I was so excited. I'm really excited to use that. I think what I'm going to do is for each of the paper pads, I'm going to make like a flat mail craft happy mail, and I'm going to gift them to some friends as some surprise mail. So I'm going to do 6 different ones. This one is called Buds and Blooms. I've not seen this one before. The colours are quite different to what I would like other collections that I have, so I think this is really nice to sort of put me out of my comfort zone and have a go at using different colours and different patterns, because it is always nice to use your favourites, but it's sometimes nice to have a challenge and make something different. And then sometimes you like pick up new skills and realise that you like other colours more than you thought you did. This one is called Cute as a Button, and I think this is so lovely. I love this. My nana loves sewing, so I think I'm going to make something for her with this. So at the back is this one, which is like a tape measure. So pretty. Got buttons. This one, I love this one. It's like really dainty and pretty as well, not like too harsh. I think this is my favourite one in this one. It's a little sewing machine and it's like a vintage style as well. This one is like a sage green with scissors. This one is like a dress pattern. I'm really love it. I think this might be one of my favourite paper pads out of all of these ones. I think it's a close favourite between this one and also this one. This one is one I've had before. I think I've had a few of these before, but I know that I currently have one in my Valentine's Day stash at the minute, and I have been using it up like crazy, so I've been holding my last few sheets of it, so I'm so happy to have a new one. So this one is just absolutely perfect for Valentine's Day, and I love the colours that it's got lilac included as well, so it's pink, white, lilac and red. And those washi tapes, which we recently looked at the beginning of the video, these match in perfectly as well. So I'm definitely going to use them next Valentine's Day. I love that one. And then this is the last one, which is called Eastern Delight. This one's definitely something different to what I would have used before. So I'm going to have to brainstorm some fun things which I can make with this one. Such pretty patterns. I love this one. This one's my favourite. And I want to know in the comments which is your favourite paper pad out of all of these. You have to let me know. And then when I'm doing my surprise mails, I can think of everyone in the comments, and I might send out some surprise mails to you guys as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will leave the links to all of these products and the DRK Craft website in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.